Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're gonna be doing oil and filter replacement on 2.2 liter Alfa Romeo Stelvio diesel. So these right here are gonna be pretty much all of the tools that I'm gonna need for the job. I got my big ratchet right here with a 32mm socket. Then I got my 3/8 ratchet with a 13mm socket. I got my spinner handle and T25 and T30 Torx bits. Lastly, I got a torque wrench which I'm gonna use to torque down everything properly. Alright, first I'm gonna undo the oil cap. Alright, we're gonna start by removing the under tray, so we're gonna have to remove all of these screws right here. Besides that, I'm also gonna remove this one right here, as well as the one on the other side, and we gotta remove all of these, and finally these on the back. Next, we're gonna undo the oil drain plug, which is gonna be a 13mm. We're gonna put the plug back in. Make sure that you replace the washer. Now the drain plug needs to be tightened from 18 to 22 Newton meters. Clean it off with a brake cleaner. Moving on to the oil filter. Now the oil filter is kinda hard to reach, and it is located right there. Now to remove the filter, I'm gonna use my big ratchet and 32mm socket. I'm just gonna reach it with my left arm and undo it all the way. I'm just gonna pull it right here from this, and there it is. Alright, so I'm just gonna pull the filter out. There it is. I'm gonna remove this rubber gasket. I'm gonna grab my new gasket, put it on. I'm gonna grab my new filter, put it in, and lastly I'm just gonna grab some new oil and I'm gonna add it to these rubber rings. Next, I'm just gonna do the same process in reverse. And we're gonna tighten the filter housing to 25 Newton meters. Next, we're gonna clean everything thoroughly with a brake cleaner. We're gonna add about 4 liters of oil. We're gonna check the oil level. Now you gotta get the car to its operating temperature, then you gotta turn it off and wait for about 5 minutes. So I'm gonna press the start button once. We're gonna go right here to vehicle information, and I'm gonna hit this oil symbol. Now you can see right here the thing that I just said. So you gotta get the car up to the temperature, you gotta turn it off, wait for 5 minutes, and then you can get the updated oil level. Now you can see that we are missing only 1 bar to the max. So in my personal opinion, this is gonna be perfect. We still gotta take into consideration that there's still some oil on the engine components, and when that oil settles overnight, the oil level should be right at the max. So as I said, in my own personal opinion, this is pretty much perfect. Only thing left to do is the service reset. So I got Stelvio 2.2 multi-jet selected from the list, and I selected service from the left side. I'm gonna hit connect. And right here you can check out multiple parameters as the odometer, distance after last service date, number of services, service interval, which is set to 20k, and distance till the next service, which is almost 8,000 kilometers. Now to reset it, I'm gonna hit this next service option, and I'm gonna hit execute. Now when you are doing this, just make sure that you read all of these notes on the side. I'm gonna hit Y, and the service reset is completed. I'm gonna go to parameters again, and now you can see that distance till the next service changed to 20k. Also, days till the next service are now at 365 days or a year. Lastly, I'm going to connect to the engine ECU, and I'm going to execute this oil change procedure. That's for the cars with the DPF, and that's going to reset the oil degradation. Anyway, that would be all for this video. I hope you find it interesting and useful. If you did, hit that like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of car enthusiasts.